Meaning of destabilization.
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 Destabilization. The word destabilization refers to the process of causing a system or situation to become unstable or unsteady. This can happen due to various factors, such as political upheaval, economic downturns, external pressure, or internal conflicts. The result of destabilization can be chaotic and unpredictable, leading to social unrest, financial instability, loss of confidence in institutions, and even violence. The impact of destabilization can be long-lasting, as it often requires significant efforts to restore stability and rebuild trust in the affected system or society.